Welcome to Stehekin, a beautiful and unusual trail town off mile 2574 in North Cascades National Park. You got here by hiking north through Glacier Peak Wilderness 108 miles from Stevens Pass, or south 20 miles from Rainy Pass, or by passenger ferry on Lake Chelan. The junction is at High Bridge, where the PCT intersects a road that leads into the village. A scheduled bus from Stehekin Valley Adventures will take you from High Bridge into Stehekin for $10. You can reserve and prepay, but there's usually room on the earliest runs, especially on weekdays. The bus will stop at Stehekin Baking Company, a spot you will definitely want to hit on your zero. The cinnamon rolls and sticky buns are the go-to items here, and they have espresso. Another fun stop along the way is the garden. The resident farmer is an early PCT hiker. He sells fresh produce picked right here. Your options for renting a room are the North Cascades Lodge or the Stehekin Valley Ranch and a few cabins. If you plan to stay at the ranch, they have their own bus from Stehekin. The shuttle bus eventually drops you in the village, which is built along the lakeshore. At one end is the Golden West Visitor Center. As of 2024, this building is not scheduled to open at all. That means any business you have with North Cascades National Park, like issuing backcountry permits, needs to be done online or at another location. The staff at the lodge can answer some questions, and there might be rangers walking around offering information on weekends, but the only ranger station at Stehekin won't be open. The Backpacker Campground is a well-kept secret. It's the Lakeview Campground, also labeled as the Purple Point Overflow Campground. It's up a gravel road east of the Visitor Center. If you have a backcountry permit or a PCTA permit, you can camp here for $12. It's a primitive area, but it has flush toilets and running water. There's also the main Purple Point Campground near the docks that requires a prepaid reservation. Be sure you're in the Backpacker Campground, which is first come, first serve. Next to the visitor center is the lodge, with a restaurant and a big deck overlooking the lake. The restaurant opens for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with indoor and outdoor seating. The small store sells mostly souvenirs, refreshments, some food, and fuel canisters. Beyond that is the post office, a nice park for swimming or hanging out, a building with coin-operated showers and laundry, a free payphone, and a bear-proof hiker box. A popular hiker hangout is the picnic tables under the restaurant deck, on the dock with a nice view of the lake. The phone charging station's also under here. You can pay at the store to get limited Wi-Fi for the day. First, check for open Wi-Fi coming from one of the docked ferries. Bikes are available for rent in town, so you can ride back out to the garden and bakery or to dinner at the ranch. It's a really lovely ride on a nice day, and a fun switch from hiking. There are some beautiful old log homes to see right on the shore, and there's not much traffic because of the location. If you need to bail to the nearest town, that's Chelan. The ferry is $25 to $50 each way and often full. From there, you can get to Wenatchee by public transit. The next trail town northbound is Mazama and the Lion's Den on Highway 20. The next stop southbound is Stevens Pass and Highway 2. I made videos of both. I'm Cool Trails. See you in Washington.